Welcome to West Coast Bushcrafters. What are we gonna do today, Tim?
Well, we're sitting in the boat, so it means that we put the boat in the water. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna fish for some sea trout.
Yeah?
It would be really awesome to catch one.
Yeah. If we catch a sea trout, then we're gonna do an episode about fillet knives. Or if we don't catch one, we're gonna show it how it works here at the West Coast on a beautiful sunny day.
Really nice. We have some meat with us as well, so we're gonna find a nice spot to chill and make some food. But first we have to catch a fish.
Yeah, absolutely.
Custom Woodsman as a fishing knife for today. Let's make some fire! Yes! Nice one!
Yes! A dry piece!
Thank you!
Det är lättare att lossa där än där.
De är ganska stora, det kostar det.
Ja, och så är det olika färger där borta.
Det kommer några stora, men då blir det lugnare.
Well, as you can see, we didn't catch any fish.
Unfortunately.
But we're getting hungry, so now we're gonna start a fire and make some food. We are now at an island very close to Strömstad.
Yeah, it's called Furholmen, and we found a nice grill place. So it's time to start a nice fire.
Yeah, let's do that. See Black Daniel, Black Daniel Tim?
Black Daniel, yeah. Svarte Daniel.
Yeah.
Good place for lobster fishing.
Yeah.
Quite windy.
Yeah. Very. Der nede, eller skal vi starte elden?
Så?
Ja. Vi behøver jo litt mer enn det her, tror jeg.
Ja.
Tror du det her blir bra, eller?
Ja, det tror jeg.
Jeg tror på det også. Direkte.
Good knife, good spine.
Good knife, good spine. Hold det her, vet du. Vi hadde klart oss faen meg hvor som helst, vet jeg.
Det tror jeg nok.
Knife shot på den. Well, as you saw, we didn't catch any fish, but we showed you our neighborhoods.
Yeah, beautiful archipelago. Now it's time to go to the other side. Go home.
To our hometown, Strömstad.
See you next time.
Way!